Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I have my pumpkin spice latte ready to go. I also have a video where I do the pumpkin, the pumpkin cream cold brew from Starbucks. I do have a video already up on my channel in case you're interested in that. Today I just wanted something a bit more warm, so that's why I'm drinking hot coffee. So we're gonna get started with the skin. I already went ahead and applied my primer. And then I also applied moisturizer on my skin, but I'm going to double prime today. I'm going to go ahead and take the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I'm only going to concentrate this on the center of my face right here. I'm going to go ahead and massage it. Primer, more than anything, I feel like it just smooths out your skin, so if you have texture, I feel like it's really good for that. Not so much for the longevity of your foundation or anything like that, or for your pores. I feel like it does nothing for my pores. If you're looking for a good long lasting, or like something that's just going to help your foundation, the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer is really good for that. So we're gonna move straight into foundation. So for an everyday kind of go, I am gonna go ahead and mix two. They both have SPF. One is just a more long wearing foundation. It's a little bit more on the matte side. This one is a bit more hydrating, but I am going to be mixing both. The Mega Cushion one from Wet n Wild doesn't really last on my skin just because it is a more luminous foundation, but it's not as long lasting as the other one. But I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this one first. I love the smell of it though. It smells so fresh. I'm gonna go ahead and mix some of the CoverGirl Outlast foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and blend everything out. It's starting to get colder here in Vegas, well, during the nighttime, because during the day it's not as warm anymore, but it's also not super cold. But we are definitely starting to see weather change. I love the finish of both of these. It also has coconut water, I want to say. Coconut water is good for your skin. So if you're dry skin, I feel like this is a must to try out. And if you don't like heavy foundations or anything like that. For concealer, I'm going to go ahead and take the CoverGirl Trublend Concealer. I'm just going to apply just a tad bit. I'm going to go ahead and set my skin with the Collab Setting Powder. And I concentrate most of the powder only on my T-zone and underneath of my eyes. I don't really set my entire face when I'm doing something so simple like this. Now I'm going to go ahead and bronze my skin. I'm going to take the Rimmel Natural Bronzer. I'm just going to take this on a big brush. I'm going to go ahead and warm up my skin. For like an everyday, I don't really like to contour or anything like that. I like to warm up my face. Now I'm going to go ahead and take some blush. I'm going to take the Blush Box by Catrice. I'm just going to go ahead and apply some to the apples. I'm in a hurry, you guys. I don't really like to, take time to do all of this, so I do this pretty fast. I do like to take some of my powder to kind of clean up right here, because since I do tend to go messy and just like all over the place, I don't really take the time. I do like to clean that area up a little bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes, which obviously if you're in a hurry, you don't need to apply lashes. I'm going to apply some because these are actually really natural. Okay guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and wait until my lash glue dries. I'm going to go ahead and set my skin. I'm going to take the Catrice Prime and Fine Dewy Glow, which I'm out of. I literally have like none left. But I'm going to go ahead and set. For highlighter, I'm going to go ahead and take the Morphe highlighter. This one is in the shade Extra. I'm just going to go ahead and apply a tad bit. My everyday liquid lipstick is this one right here by Girlactic. This one is in the shade Sweet. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply mascara to my top and my bottom lashes. I'm just going to go ahead and apply some highlight right here in my inner corner, just to kind of brighten everything up. Also onto my brow bone. I'm going to go ahead and set my skin one more time. I'm going to go ahead and take the Morphe and Jeffree Star setting spray. Alright guys, and this is the finished and completed look. This is my go-to, super fast, super easy routine. Don't forget to subscribe and link down below. Thumbs up the video if you like these kind of videos. And with that being said guys, I will catch you guys very soon in Friday's video. Bye guys.